In this video, I'm gonna show how I turn this into this. Make sure to watch till the end. I made an animation for this artwork, and if you wanna download the images I used, the links are in the description. So before starting, consider subscribing. We are very close to 30k, and make sure to follow me on Instagram.
Just got started, no we ain't done yet, but a new crib, that's a guy.
First, I'm gonna use CameraRAW and tweak the image. Play with the slides until you get a nice result. Once that's done, I'm going to cut the image using pen tool. Always use a pen tool or just delete Photoshop.
What? No!
For the background, I'm going to use this bedroom image and going to remove these frames on the wall using a patch tool.
Say it again, Dexter.
Patch tool. First time I'm using a patch tool, so things can get a bit messy. Once I place the background, I added this cute sofa thing for some detailing. I'm darkening everything so I can add some glows around our subject and paint some highlights. To make the hair less boring, I'm going to use the smudge tool and mess with the hair. Fun fact, did you know the Earth is located in the Samsung Galaxy?
What is the name of our galaxy? Samsung Galaxy.
Another fun fact, you can subscribe to my channel for free. once the final tweaks done in CameraRAW, here's the final artwork. And here's the animation I made. Can't play the song here because copyright issues. So go to my Instagram and watch the full reel with the music. And once again, subscribe, we are very close to 30k. And I'll see you in the next video, bye.
Lights they flicker and the candles glitter like you're in a thriller. Heart goes pound, pound, pound. Ghostly figures, they can get so bitter. Show you want to enter, you can turn back now. You don't